Costco with the little one. Chicken bake. Right there's our chicken bake, baby. I got your water here. Sales at the front. I see the first one, these pure organic layered fruit bars. $4 off. You guys like these, so we're gonna get these. They're like fruit leathers. Breaking my rule today. Checking out all these food items. Sometimes they're sales. That's it. Okay, go back the back way. Avoid the temptations. How's that chicken bake? Good? Ohio gozaimasu. Picking up some usuals and a few special buys. And just checking out what's new. Cereal oil. We haven't bought cereal here in a while. What we need more of though is this honey. This honey has really proven to be pretty awesome. Raw, unfiltered honey. Says it's from Washington. A lot of you guys said you have your own version, like Michigan. It says Michigan up there. What?
That's what the fly is, honey.
Oh yeah. This is good stuff though. Tell me though, in your state, is your honey $12.99? What's the price there? We love honey so much that literally we let the girls just have a spoonful of honey. I hear there's some medicinal qualities to it. Now I did see a comment from one of you guys, maybe you were a nutritionist, mentioned that even though it is honey and supposedly healthier, the body and the teeth, they still react to it the same as any other sugar. Now that was kind of fascinating. I take it with a grain of salt though. Generally speaking, I think honey is more healthy, but good to know if that's true. Another sugar substitute that's good for you, maple syrup. But we haven't really needed maple syrup, or at least from Costco, because we've been gifted maple syrup for some odd reason. Keeping track of what's in the pantry, really important. You almost need kind of like a system or something. Sometimes I will do maple syrup as a sugar option, especially for like ice cream.
No maple syrup.
Yeah, just pass it. Don't be tempted.
No?
Just pass it. Don't pass this though. That stuff is good. Daddy's just gonna finish this because it's kind of messed up. I see what you did. You ate all the chicken. Here, take one more bite. Just chilling there. You're so darn cute. Just ran out of salt. I'm telling you. I looked at the grocery store for something to fill up our salt shaker. You get 2 of these bottles for $6.69. You need it to be kind of more rocky like that, and you just can't get this. Like one of these would cost $6.69, and one of these come with a grinder too on top of it, so you really just can't beat Costco prices sometimes. Normally we buy it just the salt itself, not the grinder, but I mean even with the grinder compared to other options, it's just so much cheaper. When it comes to really anything, but especially food, if I save money, I get excited. I just save myself about $6. Got a hazard here, doesn't look very stable. Should probably move this for them. Probably should move this like right here. A little bit unstable up in here. There you go, that's better. Kind of a hazard. Drink some water, pace yourself please. This is called Temptation Alley. There's this new thing called, I don't know, babka? Never heard of it, but it looks delicious. Chocolate babka, it says. Then you got these. I think Chris told me I should try these. These little churro donut bites, which seriously, I've bought these before. I just never tried them. They definitely sound good. Now this is what gets me right here. Well, not quite, because I don't actually buy it. Strawberry Belgium waffles. Oh my gosh, they're on sale too. $2 off. Yes, please. Gotta get the sale on. Hey, look what I got, baby. Daddy finally got you a snack. Yeah. Okay, $2 off right now till 4/21. Yay! Temptation Alley. Oh my gosh, chocolate dip coconut macaroons. Chocolate crepes? I don't know how that works. Twinkies, cupcakes, madeleines, chocolate croissants. You got me today, Costco. Okay, Bulldog and Rouse on the end cap. You know what that means? One of these might be on sale. Oh, and they're both on sale. Okay, Rouse, you get 2 bottles. Normally is $12.59, $3 off. Okay, that's a good deal. And then Samyang hot chicken carbonara ball, AKA Bulldog, $3 off. Now, I'm not gonna buy this one because we have a bunch of noodles, but PSA, both of these are on sale. Hey, you guys love this sauce. Butter is on sale, so we'll get some of that too. Okay, so far we've got Rouse on sale. We've got the pure organic little fruit leather bite thingies on sale. We've got the Bulldog on sale we didn't buy. And then those strawberry Belgium waffles, $2 off. Good deals today. You know what else is a good deal? Right here, these guys. And the kids love them. These Annie's Organic Cinnamon Rolls. You already bought them before. This is $4.50 off. So this thing, which is pretty heavy, $10.59 sell price. One day I slept in and Judy made them for breakfast. I was excited when I woke up because it smelled so good. Then I go downstairs, get ready to make myself some coffee, and guess what I see on the table? An empty dish where the cinnamon rolls used to be. Did you eat all of the cinnamon rolls? Did you like them? Yeah, last time you guys ate them all. You didn't save any for Daddy. I was actually surprised. I just had this awkward moment. So sometimes when I'm vlogging, you know, I'm just speaking kind of freely. And I was a little loud that last clip. And the lady thought I was talking to her. I think I said, I was really surprised. She looked at me all strange. It does help when I've got one of the little ones with me, because it looks like I'm talking to them, but still, it's funny. Now, when I'm not with them, when I'm all by myself vlogging, I'm sure people think I'm crazy. Like sometimes I'm speaking to the shelf, like literally I'm like, like, who's that crazy guy over there talking to the food? It's me, Costco dad. No Topo Chico yet. What's up with that? Maybe the business center. This girl's excited because the deal was she eats the rest of the bread. She gets more chicken bake. Just eat it like this in the bag, okay? I will. There's a certain deal in here that you guys gotta get. One of the things I love about comments, you guys have been telling me about what are the deals that you see that maybe I'm missing. And one that I'm really appreciative that someone left on a comment recently is this. Dairy Gold butter. Both salted and unsalted. This is $4 off right now, or $3.90. Definitely get it, it's limited. It's funny, last time this was on sale, and I remember it, it was $4 off, I believe. For whatever reason, it's $3.90 off. Good thing is, butter lasts a while. Let's see how long this lasts till December 01 of this year. Wow, for the rest of the year. That's a pretty box too. Speaking of butter and popcorn, I made a stovetop butter popcorn vlog recently and barely got any views, which I thought was kind of funny because the original stovetop popcorn video that I made literally 10 years ago, I think got millions of views, but it was kind of cringy, to be frank. But it taught you what you need to taught. It's just the way it was edited. Actually, my friend Austin's the one that edited it. Regardless, you still learn how to make popcorn. There wasn't a lot of stovetop popcorn videos back in the day, so I thought, you know what, this would be a perfect opportunity to show people how to make it because it's way better. And if you don't have a microwave, it's the way to go, obviously. So I thought I'd do a follow-up 10 years later because it's got new tricks. I'm using a wok, not a regular pan. I make clarified butter. I uploaded it about 2 weeks ago, barely any views. Something about the algorithm on YouTube, if you're a creator, you probably know this. Kind of strange, it's kind of funky right now. It's different because normally if you've got an audience, which obviously you guys watch my stuff, there's a certain amount of views you're gonna get no matter what. But what's happening is YouTube's not suggesting certain videos to your own audience even. Maybe because people aren't interested. Maybe it's not a good video, but I thought it was a good video. Because I'm telling you, buttered popcorn on the stove with clarified butter, here, I'll get you water, baby, is so much better than microwave popcorn. It'll change your life. If you're a food lover, you're gonna love making your own popcorn. Throw some Parmesan cheese and pepper on there. Whew, it's on my playlist. Hey, do you like Daddy's popcorn? Nice, healthy snack, in my opinion. Pupusas. Birria and cheese. Oh, that sounds hella good and it looks hella delicious. On sale right now. Look at that. $3 off. Don't mind if I do. I bet Judy's gonna love this. I'm getting lucky with all the sales right now. For whatever reason, I feel like mid-month is when all the good sales are. I'm just noticing a lot more. I came here on the 1st of April thinking, oh, maybe they have more sales at the beginning. Nope, barely any. Today, lots. Yeah, let's look for more sales. Gotta look at the price tag. Let's get mommy's favorite green juice. Uber Greens. Wait, hey. All $6.15. You're gonna close it on me? There we go. Uber Greens, green juice, $12.99. One reason we also buy this too is because when we make green juice, we make it sweet for the girls. So that means plenty of apples and other fruit. Me and Judy, we like that gnarly green juice. Mostly vegetables. Cucumber, celery, grapefruit, chard lettuce, lemon, kale, spinach, parsley, and mint tea. That is green. I'm not gonna get it, but these Annie's flaky biscuits on sale as well. Look at that. $2.50 off. $8.19 for 3 packs. Makes 24 biscuits. Tons of deals right now. Okay, we just bought these, and I don't think they were on sale, but these Johnny Pops, $3.50 off. Get ready for the summer. You can stock up, put them in the freezer. They'll be good all summer long. I'm gonna hold off on that one. Do you like those Johnny Pops? The rainbow ones? Wipe your mouth, please. Good girl. Another sale. Look at that. $4 off for crispy chicken tacos, which look awesome. Those look delicious. I wonder if it comes with sauce. It's cheese and cracker, baby. Your first sample. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
More samples?
Yeah, after this, you want more samples? Oh my gosh. Pop-tarts. Oh, you eat that first and then we'll get, oh, I'm sorry. How's that cheese, baby?
Can I eat popcorn?
After that, have Pop-Tart samples. Mind blown. Which one do you want, baby? Look, they got Girl Scout chocolate and Girl Scout coconut caramel. Oh, you want that one? Oh, look. There you go. There you go. What do you say, baby?
And you are welcome.
Bella approved? Girl Scout themed Pop-Tarts. You want the other one? Our girls are not big fans of mint coconut caramel. Okay, I thought you didn't want that one. She ended up just eating the other one. Bella, did you trick daddy? Uh-huh. That's a coconut caramel, girl. Let me have a bite of that one too.
There we go.
There you go. A little bite. Whoa, that one's good. Girl Scout themed Pop-Tarts. Okay, I'm confirming food and produce especially is cheaper in Vegas because we're here in the Seattle, Washington area. This 5-pound bag of organic carrots, half the price in Vegas. It was about like 3 something. So there you go. It's kind of fascinating to me that carrots of all things would be such a significant difference. I don't know why. I should have checked things like apples. Our normal buy Fuji apples on the sweet side, 4 pounds, $8, which equates to about $1.99 a pound, which is all right. Don't get me wrong, that's cheaper than the grocery store, but grab a bunch of bananas, $2.49 for all this. I've been buying extra bananas lately, even if we don't eat them all, because with the leftovers, we've been making lots of banana bread, or at least Judy and the girls have been, and it's awesome.
Daddy, can you bring my coat?
Oh, your coat? I should have brought your coat, but you got a sweater on. Okay, something that I'm surprised by is the quality of raspberries lately have been awesome, and the girls will eat this literally in one sitting, so I'll buy 1 pack of these, which is $8 for 2 clamshells of raspberries. We have a lot of berry farms around here, and raspberries are one of those things that we like to pick, but you have 1 to 3 week period where you can pick them, so it's nice buying raspberries.
Great.
Grapes? Okay, you're right, we need grapes. So let's get some broccoli. You guys probably ate lots of broccoli while we were gone in Vegas. Okay, organic broccoli, 2 pounds, $6.99. I think this might have been cheaper in Vegas too. Okay, grapes were definitely way cheaper in Vegas. So this whole thing is $8, and I must say, when I bought these, they're super dense, but I swear they were way cheaper. Unfortunately, these are not organic. I'm gonna buy them just this one time. Will you eat all these, baby?
No.
No? Okay. Fascinating. Couple things. Number one, why would produce be so much cheaper in Vegas? What is it? Is it a tax thing? Is it a cost of living thing? Are they trying to squeeze more out of us because they think we can afford it? I don't know. And then secondly, how does Costco choose what to get organic options on and what not to get organic options on? For example, grapes. I never see organic grapes. Now, that being said, I think I know why, because organic grapes are fucking expensive, like really expensive. I can't believe how expensive they are, honestly. For example, if I were to buy that container of grapes organic at the regular grocery store, $25. I'm not kidding. It would be something crazy like that versus what, that was $8. Samples? Okay, let's go look for samples, like grapes. But what about the other stuff? Like oranges. I almost never ever see organic oranges.
Samples.
You need samples? Oh, that's what you're saying. Okay, let's look for samples, baby, okay? And this is one reason I like going to different Costco's, because sometimes you do find different options. Probably one of my favorite buys at another Costco that they don't have here and really honestly anywhere else is pasture-raised eggs, organic ones. For whatever reason, in South Seattle, that one has pasture-raised eggs, which is what we prefer to eat. and it was the same price as cage-free eggs. Sunglasses in a package. That is strange. Well, this is cool. Speaking of popcorn, this is a stainless steel wok with a lid, really important when you're doing the popcorn. And it's induction stove, only $29.99, and looks like it comes with a little wok spoon too. There you go. Only downside is it's kind of heavy. You want your wok to, it's not that heavy, I guess. You want it to be on the lighter side normally. It's like they're in my brain. Costco. I was thinking about making guacamole today to go with those pupusas. You don't want guacamole, but what about mommy and daddy? What if we want it? Huh? Okay, that's okay. All right. It's crazy how popular air fryers have gotten. This is like a legit one. This is what I see everybody getting. These kind that's got the pull-out drawer. I like the actual oven version. We have a Breville one. We need something that's multi-function. I'm not gonna buy this because we already have one that I need to bring over, but Vitamix, probably one of the best blenders you can buy for your house, is also on sale, $100 off. That's a good deal. Oi, 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 oi. My friend Matt gave us a Vitamix, so I need to bring it over. It's at my studio, which I was gonna build out a kitchen, but I never ended up doing it. Vitamix is on sale right now, $100 off. So we were here originally, among other things, to come and buy these fruit strips, or we call them fruit leathers. These are not on sale, $15.99, but we don't need them because we did get those fruit bars. We don't need M&Ms, no, we don't need M&Ms.
There you go.
Thank you. What do you say?
Guys. You're welcome.
Take care.
Mommy.
Yeah. So I just got back from Costco and lots of sales today. In fact, there was 8 sale items. $3 off, $3 off, $4 off. That's $10. Another $3, 13. Now 17 because another $4 off. 17, 21, 24, $26 in savings today, honey. Jeez. For a grand total of $150. All this food right here. All of this is just pure food. Yeah, $150. There you go. That was my Costco trip, and today was a good day for discounts and sales at Costco. Yeah.